Introducing the powerful combination of Meze Audio's Advar and IFI Audio's Pod. This collaboration brings wireless audio innovation to new heights, unlocking the full potential of your earphones without the hassle of wires. The IFI Audio Pod is a game changer. It's a Bluetooth DAC headphone amp that transforms the Meze Advar and other wired IEMs into wireless wonders. What sets it apart from other Bluetooth IEM adapters is the included charging case, which supports wireless charging and holds 15 hours of extra charge. The case is larger than typical earbud cases, but it's designed to accommodate the Pod earpieces and Advar earphones, making them portable and convenient. The Pod's detachable nature makes it versatile, compatible with most IEM connections. The package includes 3 types of ear hook adapters for MMCX, Pentacarn, and 2-pin 0.78mm IEMs. The Pod earpieces are made of rubbery plastic with responsive chrome plastic touch controls. They even have built-in microphones for calls, and the touch control supports 6 tap gestures for audio playback control, voice assistant, and calls. Now, let's talk about the Meze Advar earphones. These sleek MMCX IEMs deliver exceptional sound quality with an airy and ultra-wide soundstage. Equipped with a single 10.2mm dynamic driver, they cover a wide frequency range with plenty of detail. When connected to the Pod, the Advar sound signature becomes slightly more bassy with less treble and a narrower soundstage. The Advar earphone shell features a solid stainless steel chassis finished with high-gloss black chrome plating for durability. They have a compact design that fits comfortably in your ears, although extended wear may cause some fatigue. The Advar IEMs come with a stylish hardshell case and a high-quality Meze silver-plated cable. With advanced Bluetooth technology and support for various codecs like AAC, LDAC, LHDC, and aptX HD, the Pod ensures optimal sound reproduction. Pairing them with your phone is effortless, and you can even accept calls using the Pod's noise suppression feature, although it can be a bit aggressive. In conclusion, the Meze Audio Advar and IFI Audio Pod bundle provides an exceptional wireless audio experience. The Advar earphones offer impressive sound reproduction, while the Pod seamlessly turns any wired earphones into wireless ones. With their thoughtful design, long battery life, and compatibility with various Bluetooth codecs, this bundle offers convenience and high-quality sound. Next up, it's the volume and latency tests, followed by unboxings and user guides.